There are many famous and influential entrepreneurs in the world, like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Bill Gates. But in that same list, there's an Indian who's as influential and famous as them, Mr. Mukesh Ambani.
As I walk through the valley of
Mukesh Ambani, being one of the most influential business figures of India and even for the whole world, heading Reliance Industries, making it a multi-billion-dollar empire. Mukesh Ambani was born in Yemen on 19th April 1957. He's the son of Dhirubhai Ambani and Kokila Ben Ambani. He has a younger brother, Anil Ambani. Mukesh Ambani didn't come from a very wealthy background in the start. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, used to work as a clerk in Yemen. Then in the late 1950s, Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani shifted back to India, where he started Reliance Industries, but only in textiles. Mukesh Ambani pursued chemical engineering in Mumbai and then went to Stanford to study MBA. He later came back to India to support and help his dad with the expanding operations of Reliance. In the start, when Mukesh Ambani came back, he didn't have a lot of work as he was new to the business and he would still have to see and understand every aspect of it. But one of the first breakthroughs Mr. Ambani got was when he had to control the whole production process of spices and textiles. Mukesh Ambani also helped set up Reliance's first polyester filament yarn. Mukesh Ambani's defining project was when he built the world's largest refinery in Jamnagar with a $6 billion investment. Reliance faced a lot of problems and challenges at that time when he was building this, but his determination paid off. Mr. Mukesh Ambani saw a gap in the telecom industry, and that's when he decided to launch Reliance Jio in 2016. Mukesh Ambani saw that market leaders like Vodafone and Airtel had set their prices really high for their plans, making it less affordable for the people to use. That's when he decided to make his plans more affordable so that people were ready to spend that much for the data, their messages and calls. Airtel and Vodafone were priced really high, and as the internet wasn't a really big thing in 2016 as it is in 2024, people were not ready to pay that much for the data. But when Mukesh Ambani launched Jio, he provided low cost for a very good plan, covering each and every aspect of the industry which people had a problem with, making it a solution for millions, connecting millions, being a game changer in the industry, and as of today being the market leader with 482 million users as of today, where Airtel is at 382 million and Vodafone at 215 million users overall. But Jio didn't stop there. Mukesh Ambani didn't decide to stop there. Mukesh Ambani released multiple products like 5G phones, very affordable, priced at nothing, so nearly 2,000 going up to 8 or 10,000. They released broadbands, routers, a set-top box for the TV, streaming devices, music streaming devices, online platforms. Jio became the biggest company in the industry and still expanding to conquering different aspects of each market in that industry or even other industries. Ambani has powerful business strategies, which are one where he prioritizes vertical integration, where he manages the whole supply chain from manufacturing to production to managing all of it, reducing his overall costs and ensuring efficiency and faster adaptability and dependency for the suppliers. And he also focuses a lot on integration, where he unites all of it, like building the refinery or your very large scale facilities to to smoothen his work and to make the whole operations faster. And lastly, he focuses on affordability for himself and also for the customers, where um, he would try to cut down his costs as much as possible, making it better for him and also cheaper for consumers like us, so that he can provide us uh, products at a very low cost, which we would be interested in creating a bigger market and a higher market share for him, and also maintaining his cash flow running.